Hata nimeangalia vizuri sababu ndio wanataka. Tulikuwa tunaweka mzuu. Ungeweka kuzuu. Nimeona mpaka pesa zangu napatia wewe.
They were arraigned before court today, and we were given 14 days to complete our investigations and arraign them before court after 14 days. The suspects that we have in custody are sharing with us information about the various incidents that have occurred within Ruiru and specifically Watalam. The kind of information that they have is sharing with us. They are somehow admitting or confessing to the investigating team that somehow they might be having information in regards to those incidents. So we have had an opportunity as part of the evidence correction of revisiting the suspected scenes of crime. We have successfully corrected a number of evidence that we are still piecing together in order to charge them before court.